So I was actively discerning. Easter pa nga ako sinagot ni Lord noon sa isang Mission Corps gathering. So nung sinabi niyang resign and then I finally did it, well, for one, as a mother, it was very liberating kasi nagagawa ko na yung mga mas gusto kong gawin na hindi hati yung katawan ko eh. Pero nung ibang reality kick na, sanay po ako that though we have a way of spending for the family, syempre sanay kang you have your own keep. 'Di ba? Nahihiya pa ako sa kanyang humingi ng pera hanggang sa ngayon, sanay na akong humingi sa kanya ng pera. Gustong-gusto ko siyang binibila ng gift. Sabi ko, saan ako kukuha ng pera pambili ng gift sa asawa ko? But again, community life affirmed and helped us to adjust, reminding us that what's his is mine. What's mine is his. Parang, at lahat na pag-uusapan. It's good to be with ka-household na who probably went through the same thing and learning from them. Mga ganyan. So, blessing ang community. For me, personally.